All right. Hello, MIP personal project student. Hello, or students if you're watching this as a class. Hello. All right. Welcome to personal project investigating phase outline. All right. Specifically today, we are talking about research. All right. Research is fun. All right. And we're going to talk about it today. All right. Let's do this. So, research, you should be doing research throughout your project, all right? You're going to look at research. You're learning new things throughout this project. But specifically, you're going to write about it in the investigating phase. All right, so let's head to personal project, Google Classroom, all right? This one right here, classwork. Investigating phase is the first phase of the personal project. Remember, there are 4. Starts the investigating phase. Let's click on that outline. Whoop. All right. So we've talked about the global context, we've talked about prior knowledge, now we get to research, all right? Remember, research is one of the ATL skills that we talk about here throughout your time at Reagan, all right? One of those fantastic ATL skills. So in the personal project, we focus on those skills, so you're gonna write a paragraph using the research skill. So here's how this paragraph is gonna go. Basically, how are your research skills starting out? You're going to reflect on it in the last phase of the personal project. So this is you starting out. How are your research skills? All right. What do you know about them? Bonus points if you can cite a previous course, like MYP biology maybe, where you learned about research a little bit and citing some sources. Just an idea there for you. So how are your research skills though going in? And then what research are you doing to help you out with this project? So let's say your personal project, you are going to be learning how to play a new instrument. Well, how are you going to learn how to do that? All right. Or if your personal project has to do with you're going to learn how to run a 10K. How are you going to learn how are you going to learn about that? All right. You should be doing some research as part of your personal project. So this paragraph is just you writing about what research you're doing. All right. It doesn't need to be that you're going out and finding a website to help you out with this, all right? You could be using a person to help you, all right? If you have a family member from another country that you're planning to make your cookbook on, they're an expert. Talk to them. They're a great source of research. If you have a family member that is particularly skilled in woodworking and your project centers around that, use them to help you out. All right, it doesn't need to be a website. It can be, absolutely can be. It could be a website, could be a person, could be a book, could be a video, right? All great options, all right? So basically in this paragraph, you're just gonna write, well, what did you do for research? All right, why did you pick this person? Why did you pick this website? And how'd you go about it? That's all you need to do here, all right? Just write about it, all right? In the end, throughout your personal project, any sources you're using, make a little bibliography, all right? You can choose the format. I know you learned about a few different formats here throughout your time, all right? APA is what we do in a lot of the science fields, all right? We use APA-style citations. In history courses, you learn about Chicago-style citations, and then a lot of your English and other courses use MLA citations. You can choose the method you would like for your bibliography, completely up to you. All right, does not matter which one you pick as long as you're being consistent with it. And it does help if you choose an appropriate citation style. If you're doing a science project, you should use an APA citation. All right, but pick one, stick to it. That's the big thing. Be consistent. Bonus points, you can do some in-text citations throughout the paper. Good one. But all you need to do for this investigating phase outline is just talk about what research you did. Talk about what research you did, what sources you picked, why you picked them, how'd you go about it, and then cite those sources. All right, that's all you do for this one. That's it. All right, paragraph about that, and then some citations. Remember, this whole thing should be about 375 to 875 maximum. So that means 150, 200 words here would be fantastic. All right, if you have questions, remember your supervisor is here to help you. I'm happy to answer any questions. Anyone here at Reagan is happy to help you with any questions. Have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye. Make good choices.